Welcome to our channel. Today we'll discuss about how to use geometrical tool on Desmos.com. You can see here for more detail. We can check the relation between central angle and circumference angle in a circle standing on same arc. Similarly, we can verify relation between opposite angle of cyclic quadrilateral. The sum of the opposite two angle is equal to 180 degree. When changing its shape and size of a quadrilateral and a circle, there is no change. The relation between opposite angle of cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. Similarly, we can use the geometrical tool for transformation. We can translate the triangle by certain vector like this way. We can reflect the triangle by a line as an axis. Click on object, click on transform, reflects. We can choose the axis and reflection of this true triangle. When changing the axis, the image also will be changed. That depends on the axis. Similarly, we can rotate the triangle as a specific angle like 30 degree. Also, we can transform by dilate. We can use the geometrical tool to draw the parallel line of any line segment. Draw the parallel line, choose a specific point and draw the line as a parallel line. We can draw also perpendicular line by choosing a line. We can use as many more to use by using this Desmos calculator. Thanks for watching.